Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Customs. Mark Langowski in California. This is your President McKinley. These are nice little radios. Now I've went in and turned the key beep off. I've also turned off the Roger beep. You can turn those back on by just hitting the menu button. Change the color to green. There's the dimmer, contrast, key beep off. OF it stands for off, of course. Roger beep is off. All you do if you want to change those is once you get to it, just click the menu button or the channel selector. Okay. And that's SWR. That's a 1.2. Got tone adjustment and then back to channel. Okay. Your clarifier mod has been done. And here's your SRA 198. And it's been converted to a 6-pin to work with the radio. Okay. Now remember, this is a noise canceling microphone, so you got to get right up on it to get anything out of it. All right. Okay. I did the voltage regulator upgrade. I did the first buffer filter upgrade. And I also installed extra filtering capacitance. I added a 3300 microfarad cap, okay, on the DC input line. I've also upgraded your IF filter from an 8 kilohertz wide filter to a 7 kilohertz wide filter. Okay, that's going to help with bleed over. The bias has been set correctly so that these transistors don't eat themselves. And of course, been through and did a tune-up. All right, so let's check some power. Let me get your microphone out of the way here. All right. I have a 25 watt slug on the left hand side, which is RMS. So we'll be reading on that top meter there. I have a 50 watt slug on the peak side, on the right side, which is the peak side. Okay, I'm on the ×1 scale. So we'll be reading on that center scale on this one. All right, I'm injecting a 2-tone. Well, let's see, let's do dead key first. Okay, we're dead keying 5 watts and swinging forward to almost 8. But we're getting about 22 watts peak out of it on 2-tone. Okay. And let's switch modes to lower sideband. I'm now on the lower side of channel 38. And don't worry, folks, I am on a dummy load. Okay. Turn the 2-tone back on. And we're doing about 17 watts RMS. And that looks like about 22 on the 2-tone. Okay. All right, but watch this. Audio, hello, audio. It'll go all the way up to 25 watts just talking into the microphone. Audio, hello, audio. Now, I'm using just a regular old Euro CB microphone with an adapter, cable adapter, okay? It's not amplified, just a plain old microphone. Audio, hello, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. I think we actually hit about 27 watts that time. Audio. So anyway, it's all done. Your clarifier's been unlocked. Let's see, you might want to see the slide on that. Let me I'll show you that right there. We're center slot 385, and yes, my counter's off a little bit. That counter is. Okay, now I'm going to go to the top of the slide. Ignore that 2 out there on the end. It should be 3880. That's at the top. And now we're going to go all the way to the bottom. This is all on 38, so it's 3826 is actually what that is. Okay. Now, the reason I know that my counter is off is because I use my Yazoo to check it, and the Yazoo is spot on. All right. Well, there you go. I changed the color to green. Excuse my voice. I don't know why it's that messing up on me this morning. I haven't yelled at anybody, believe it or not. Maybe I should. But there it is. I'm getting ready to put the covers on it, and we'll get it shipped out to you. Now, you know, I mean, the covers are just covers. Nothing special about them. President sees fit to remind everybody that not to hook this thing up backwards, which, you know, if you've used radios before, there's not much of a chance of that. Not only that, but the power connector will only go in one way. So if you hook the red and the black wire up correctly, you're not going to fry your radio. This is a 12 or 24 volt radio, so you can use it in trucks or buses that have a 24 volt system. I don't think there's too many of those left. But anyway, these are nice little radios. Oh, you may want to see the S meter. Come on, let's see, that's on channel 20. Let me scoot down to channel 20 real quick. Okay. And we are in AM, I think. Yes, AM. There you go. There it is in sideband. God, that's annoying. Go back to AM. AM's a little hot because I've got the power set exactly the same for both AM and, well, you can see 100 microwatts, 30% modulation. It should be an S9. Okay, it's an S9 now. All right, but she's all set. I'm gonna put it back on 38. You can change it up when you get it. But these are neat little radios. Okay. Mark, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody.